Welcome to Hyper Meditation, your sanctuary in life's chaos. I'm Maya, your guide. In the first part of this series, we explore the art of meditation. Let's begin with open hearts and curious minds. Meditation, often regarded as a timeless practice, has been an integral part of human existence for millennia. With its roots stretching across diverse cultures and spiritual traditions, meditation has evolved into a multifaceted discipline that continues to captivate individuals seeking inner peace, clarity of mind, and spiritual growth. At its essence, meditation is a journey inward, a profound exploration of the depths of consciousness and the human experience. It is both an art and a science, blending ancient wisdom with modern understanding, to offer a pathway to self-discovery and personal transformation. But what exactly is meditation? At its core, meditation is a practice of training the mind to cultivate awareness and presence in the present moment. It involves the intentional focusing of attention, often on a particular object, thought, or sensation, with the aim of quieting the chatter of the mind and attaining a state of mental clarity and inner calm. While the techniques and approaches to meditation may vary widely, they all share a common thread: the cultivation of mindfulness. Mindfulness, a term rooted in Buddhist philosophy, refers to the practice of being fully present and engaged in the here and now, without judgment or attachment to thoughts or emotions. The purpose of meditation extends far beyond relaxation or stress reduction, although these are often welcome side effects. Meditation is a tool for self-exploration and self-awareness, offering a gateway to understanding the inner workings of the mind and emotions. Through regular practice, individuals can learn to observe their thoughts, feelings, and sensations with greater clarity and equanimity, gaining insight into the nature of their existence and the interconnectedness of all beings. Furthermore, meditation has been scientifically proven to offer a multitude of benefits for physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Research has shown that regular meditation practice can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, improve cognitive function and emotional resilience, enhance immune function, and promote overall feelings of happiness and well-being. In today's fast-paced world, where distractions abound and the mind is constantly bombarded with stimuli, meditation offers a sanctuary refuge of stillness and silence amidst the chaos of daily life. It is a timeless practice that invites us to slow down, tune in, and reconnect with the wisdom and peace that reside within us. As we embark on this journey into the world of meditation, let us approach with open minds and open hearts, ready to explore the depths of our inner landscape and embrace the transformative power of presence.